Every day we live believing we're safe. But what about those moments we overlook, or just a second of distraction? Today we'll take a look at life's unexpected scenarios that are beyond our control. Remember, the greatest dangers are often hidden in the risks we're unaware of. A forklift operator's hasty action leads to serious consequences. As he speeds up while carrying buckets of paint, the load's balance is lost and all the paint spills to the ground. This incident shows that speed is not more important than safety, and that one must always move in a controlled manner. In a garage, danger always waits unseen. A man gets under his car to work on it, failing to secure the vehicle. The car suddenly slides and stops after hitting an obstacle. The man faces the cost of a momentary mistake, but is thankfully spared. Never get under a car without first securing it. Your life is more valuable than a simple oversight. In a garage, danger always waits unseen. A man gets under his car to work on it, failing to secure the vehicle. The car suddenly slides and stops after hitting an obstacle. The man faces the cost of a momentary mistake, but is thankfully spared. Never get under a car without first securing it. Your life is more valuable than a simple oversight. Fatigue is the biggest enemy of safety. A heavy workload causes a man to fall asleep where he's sitting. He suddenly loses his balance and falls. A tired mind is a risk to workplace safety. Resting isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. High shelves allow for zero mistakes. A forklift operator loses balance while placing a load, and the load with its fall destroys all the effort. Don't rush when working at heights. Unloading from high shelves always carries a risk. A forklift operator loses balance and drops the milk bottles. The broken bottles and spilled milk instantly turn the floor into a completely white and slippery trap. On the warehouse floor, a forklift operator's hasty action leads to serious consequences. While unloading the soda cans, the load's balance is lost. The cans scatter everywhere and chaos begins. Dropping a load isn't just a product loss. Be careful, because a momentary mistake can topple the entire order. Creativity is no substitute for safety. On a building roof, they are using a dangerous method to lower a heavy load. When control is lost in an instant, everyone scatters. The load falls uncontrollably to the ground near the worker. Fortunately, no one is harmed. Never use improvised methods. Limits are for your safety. When too much load is put on a truck, the chassis can't carry it, and the bed tears off. An uncontrolled weight destroys everything. Never exceed a vehicle's carrying capacity. Speed turns into an uncontrolled force. A fast, out-of-control vehicle suddenly swerves into the trees on the side of the road. In seconds, metal and wood collide. The road is not a playground. Nature's rules punish those who don't follow speed limits. Machines are not climbing platforms. On the factory floor, a person loses his balance when he climbs on top of a machine and suddenly faceplants. Fortunately, he is fine. Skipping safety rules always comes with a cost. Remember, being careful and following the rules always saves lives. Thanks for watching. For more safety content, don't forget to subscribe.